Hi, we are here to demo you the GenZDealZ.ai app. We are logging in with single sign-on of Google. You can also sign on with your own ID. You will see a deal of the day on the main screen. Plus, you will see the trending deals as the main banner, where we have partners whom we are showing on the deal. We have also offline deals which show in the offline deal section. Large brands are being shown under big brand deals, where you get exclusive deals and discounts for students. If you go to the large brand deals, you will see very exclusive Gen Z specific more than 280 brands which are listed on the platform. And if you search for a brand, say we are searching for Cafe Coffee Day, you will see very exclusive kind of deal. We are running 12.5% today for CCD. And the best part is you will also see similar deals from GenZDealZ. So this is our AIML being kicking in, which shows you similar deals and also web scrape deals outside the GenZ platform. So basically, whichever student comes here will get the best deal in and around CCD and coffee. That's the idea. So an aggregation of all deals for a common item is what we do here. We scroll further down, we have hyperlocal deals. So we are working very closely with MIT WPU, where we have very exclusive deal with Smash. And you can see the deal, the deal worth 1000 we are giving for 799. If a student grabs the deals, creates the coupon QR, he goes to the vendor and he can encash the deals at the local level within the campus. As you go below, you will see 10 subsections of multiple range of deals, right from scholarship, games, travel, fashion. If you go to scholarship, very exclusive deals from local and global partners. Like Secure My Scholarship is giving very exclusive deals. Again, there will be web scraping and AIML which is running, which shows the best deals within the platform. If a student wants to do counseling, go abroad, apply for loan, so on and so forth. You can go back to home, you can go back to your gift cards. There's a section of gift cards where you will see your existing and redeemed gift cards, okay, already in your login itself. Okay, once you go back to home, all of these other deals are same available on the platform. And that's all from us. Thank you.